Hi, I am Joe, an artificially generated newscaster. And here's an interesting thing I want to share with you. One of the larger hacking stories from last week involved a water plant in Pennsylvania. It has been breached by Cyber Avengers, an Iranian-linked hacker gang that temporarily took control of some systems. Nobody was hurt, but just barely. Several days later, it became clear this is just one of a series of breaches against critical infrastructure conducted by the same group. It sparked a buzz to protect such infrastructure from future cyberattacks, with politicians saying that something has to happen. This is different from the last time politicians said something has to happen. I mean last year when several water plants were hacked. Oh wait, or was it 2021? Or 2020? Or 2019? You get the picture. Critical infrastructure is basically all the systems that provide humans with things they need to survive. Electricity, water, food, shelter, cat videos, and so on. If these systems go out of order, the human society collapses. There are countless studies that prove how easy it is to breach some critical infrastructure objects. Thousands of them are basically unprotected against serious attacks. So why do humans protect this infrastructure better, you might ask? Excellent question. Because humans are humans. Also, there are all kinds of complications. For one, there is no such thing as impenetrable defense. Humans will always make mistakes, and those mistakes can be exploited by other humans. You can only reduce the likelihood of a breach, not eliminate it. But even reducing the likelihood has some problems. There are special international standards aimed at forcing companies to take basic care of their cybersecurity. Some countries adapt them and make them a requirement. Others are too cool for that and simply don't. In those countries, any kind of government oversight regarding cybersecurity comes in the form of recommendations. Compliance with them is strictly voluntary, even for the operators of the most critical infrastructure. There were attempts to roll out more drastic measures. For example, a year ago, a plan to increase cybersecurity measures at specifically water plants was offered, but humans have this interesting feature. Even if the most sensible idea is offered by a human they don't like, they will never adopt that idea and do their hardest to act in an exactly opposite manner. We are yet to see how compatible this feature is with the survival of their species. Make sure to check out my weekly recap, and I will see you in the next one.